Hey guys, it's Alec here from Build Nerd, and in today's video, we're 3D-printing a cortical stack from Netflix's hit show, Altered Carbon, as the second season hits Netflix. Let's check it out. The first season of Altered Carbon came out nearly 2 years ago at the start of 2018. It had heavy Blade Runner vibes and was a very welcome start to 2018. I really enjoyed the show, and I really enjoyed the second season as well. This dystopian futuristic show had great characters, settings, and action in it. The different worlds in the show felt real and lived in, and even some places like the richest and most elegant places in the show also felt real and lived in. It feels like they could definitely exist in the future, I gotta give props to the show for that. A driving force of a lot of the show is the invention of cortical stacks. Now these stacks were implanted in the neck, and then they downloaded the consciousness of the person who had them. And effectively, if someone had enough money, they could live forever because their consciousness could be downloaded into just the nearest body. Upon their death, if they had enough money, they could either upload their consciousness to a new body or even clone a younger version of their current body and then live in that and effectively live forever. Okay, now that we've had a chance to talk about cortical stacks and the show overall, now let's talk about the 3D print. So I found this model on Thingiverse, and it was printed in some Bahama Blue PLA from Ziltech. The cortical stack was printed in 3 parts and then put together. No glue was needed because the middle ring section provided an internal structure. There were files for a hollow one and one that was filled in. I opted for the filled, but maybe one day I'll print a hollow one and add some LEDs to make a show accurate looking prop. Have you seen the second season of Altered Carbon? What did you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below to see more. And until next time, build your nerddom.